Hey guys, Amy Starr here, and in this video today I want to show you the brand new AI image generator that was just added to the Home Business Academy back office for free for their premium members. So this is crazy. This is how these guys always roll. I've never seen this done before, where they're constantly adding new tools, new features, new benefits to our products, and they never raise the price of the products. They never or charge for an additional product. Like this thing could be an additional product if they wanted it to be. As a matter of fact, a lot of people are paying good money for AI image generator tools. And here, our premium members no longer have to pay for tools. This thing is amazing. So in this video, I'm going to do a quick demo to just show you the first image that I just created with it, because it was just rolled out last night. And then I'll also show you another tool that they just rolled out last night that allows us to repurpose our short form video content across all the platforms with no additional work. So if you are someone that is paying for a tool like repurpose.io or something like that, a lot of those tools cost about $39 per month or something. And we now have that built into our platform as well. So our premium members no longer need tools like that because it does it for you. So that's really awesome as well. So I'll talk a little bit about that at the end of this video. For now, let's get into the AI image generator. So here you will see our AI image generator, and it's right inside. This is our HBA Home Business Academy platform. I'm in premium right now. If you come down under premium to premium tools, we have 3 AI powered tools down here. We have Prompt Write AI that helps us write content. We have our image generator tool now, and our Smart Post, which is the one that I just mentioned that allows you to repurpose your short form videos across multiple platforms with no additional work. So for our premium members, we now have all of these tools built right into our platform. So the image generator tools, a lot of them are very expensive, and these guys have used some type of a technology so that we have like the best of the best from the different types of tools that are available. So in order to keep it free for our members, we do have a 5 image per day limit per member. But considering that they didn't raise the price of premium or charge us for an additional product or tool, I think that's pretty cool that we get to do this 5 times per day for no charge. And the company is basically paying for that out of their pocket. Each time someone generates an image, it costs the company money, but they don't charge us. So as members, as affiliates. And so that's pretty cool. So I just created my first image, and here it is. I actually created the thumbnail for this video that I am sharing with you right now. And it only took me a minute or something like that, which was really fun. So what they did, so you can put in a prompt here to tell the image generator exactly what you want it to make. What I did was down below, they have some example images here, and each of these images has a prompt already. So if you want to use one of these prompts, you can just click on it. I'll show you an example here. So if you I clicked on this, and then what it does is it puts the prompt up here. And you'll see this says design a viral video thumbnail using the person's face from image 1. So you can upload your own images here, which is what I did. Face consistency, keep the person's facial features exactly the same as in image 1. So it's not changing my face at all. Action, pose the person on, so this is for this thumbnail, right? So this is the default prompt. Action, pose the person on the left side, pointing their finger toward the right side of the frame. Subject, on the right side, place a high quality image of a huge stack of $100 bills. Graphics, add a bold yellow arrow connecting the person's finger to the toast. Text, overlay massive pop style text in the middle, the secret gold mine, amazing. Use thick white outline and drop shadow. Background, a blurred, bright event audience background, high saturation and contrast. So this is the original prompt that created this. So what I did was I clicked on that thumbnail and it put it in here. And then I came through and I just edited it for what I wanted. So mine says design a viral video thumbnail using the person's face from image one. Here's the image I uploaded of myself. Face consistency, keep the person's facial features exactly the same as image one. So I left that all exactly the same. Action, pose the person on the left side holding an iPhone and showing the screen to the viewer. Subject, on the right side, place some high quality images of AI generated photos of real people. Text, overlay massive pop style text in the middle, new AI image generator. Use a thick white outline and drop shadow. So when it first made this image, it actually had, this border was black. So down here, we can edit the image. So I put in an edit that just said, change the border of the text to the color with hex code. And I gave it the hex code of my brand color, which is this pink. And it changed that. So you can edit the image. Now, again, each time you edit the image, it creates a new image. So it counts as one of your 5. And if you want different versions of your image, you can just download, you can download it and then edit it again and download it and then edit it again so that you have different versions of the image each time you edit it. Super easy. Here we can also choose if we want landscape, we can choose what dimensions we want of the image, what style we want, if we want digital art, oil painting, watercolor, anime, we can tell it all of this stuff here. And anyway, this thing is really, really cool. So again, if you are someone that's paying for some type of an image generator, this will save you the cost of that, especially if you're a premium member in HBA. And there are so many benefits of being a premium member of HBA. Besides all of these tools, we have a whole library of traffic and conversions training, different marketing strategies that you can learn. We have 7 Zoom calls per week where we teach our members traffic, how to drive traffic to your websites. And we have a funnel builder mastermind for our premium members every Friday where we learn just ninja things that we can do with our funnel builder to build really beautiful pages. So there's so many benefits of being a premium member in HBA. This is just an added benefit for our members, a tool that's right inside of our app that you can just use every day to create 5 images, any kind of images that you want. They have these other images down here that they created as well. So like if you want to create an image similar to one of these, again, you could click on it and it'll load the prompt and then you can just edit it. Or you can just create a prompt from scratch. There's also the negative prompt here. So if there's things that you want to avoid in the image, you could put that in. And you can add up to 5 images here for the AI to refer to, and you can give it instructions on how you want it to use those. So anyway, I think this thing is amazing. So just because I wanted to give you a little bit of a live demo here, I figured what I would do is I would do a little experiment to change the background on this phone. Because although this is kind of what I told it to do, I don't really like this because this image generator can do so much more than just pictures of people, right? So I want to show something else on the phone. So what I'm going to, and if I would have thought about this in the beginning, what I could have done is uploaded another image here, like a screenshot of what the app looks like, the image generator tool right on my phone. I did take a screenshot of it. So I can add it now in Canva if I want, or I can start over and, make a whole new image and add it here. But as far as editing, I can't add an image here, right? So I'm just going to tell it what to do and see what it does. I thought it would be cool to have a background of the app itself and then maybe like a smaller version of this thumbnail on top of that. So it's kind of meta, right? So let's see what it does when I give it those instructions. Okay, so this is what I decided to do. I'm telling it to blur out the background on the phone screen in the image and add a smaller version of this entire thumbnail over it, all contained on the phone screen. I don't know if that's a great prompt or not. Let's see what it does. So it's creating my image, and there we go. So I don't like how it put a picture of me blurred in the background, so now I'm going to tell it to make the background of the phone screen white. So when I told it to make it white, I failed to mention to keep that image of the thumbnail on there. So now I'm telling it to do that. Oops. On the phone screen, add a smaller version of this entire thumbnail, centered and slightly tilted. And there we go. So I don't know about you, but I think that's pretty cool. And so that is our new AI image generator. Again, this is free for the premium members of the Home Business Academy. And by the way, when you join our all-in-one business, you get 2 free weeks of premium. So you can try out this tool, you can try out all of our other tools, you can try out all of our 7 Zoom calls per week for traffic and conversions training, masterminding, Q&A. You can do all of that for free for 2 weeks so that you can just come in here and see what we're all about. So I will leave a link below this video where you can learn more about that. Other really great thing about the Home Business Academy is each of our products, we have 4 products, and each of them pays an 80% commission. So when you refer others to the Home Business Academy, you get paid an 80% commission, which makes it really easy for you to get all of your tools and training completely covered with just 2 sales, which is amazing. And then we get paid to use the tools, which is kind of a no-brainer. So real quick, I promised you I would show you the other new tool, which is Smart Post. So this is where, and I'm not going to do a full demo of this today, but I will do it in another video. But basically the way that it works is you can connect your platforms here. So you can connect Facebook and or Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, X, and TikTok. And then basically the way that this works is if you upload a video to Instagram and you turn on auto publish, it will automatically take that video from Instagram because you have it connected here. It'll automatically post it to Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and TikTok without you having to do anything else at all. So this is pretty awesome. And in another video, I will do a full demo of this, but for now, I just wanted to let you know that this was just released as well yesterday. So I wanted to show you this. What's cool about the Home Business Academy is these guys are just so committed to constantly making things better for our members. And they basically designed this entire app. This app that you're looking at right now, it's on desktop and mobile, and it's our whole platform. And they designed it themselves, and they learned how to do all of the coding and everything. So they're constantly adding all of this cool stuff to our app, and they're not increasing the price for our members. So we have access to so much goodness in here. So like I said, if you'd like to learn more about the Home Business Academy, and by the way, I've been here for over 7 years. This is where I've been, creating a full-time income for myself, as well as helping others to learn how to build their current business or to create a business here in HBA and have success because of all of the training and support that we have available here. So I love it here. This isn't a flash in the pan for me. This is where I hang my hat on the internet and have been for over 7 years. And that's after I almost left the industry because I saw so many company owners changing comp plans, raising prices, doing things that hurt its members. And these guys are against all of that, which is why they created this place in the first place. So I thought I was going to leave the industry completely, and this place is the reason that I didn't. So if you would like to learn more, there'll be information about that below this video as well. And I also have some additional bonuses for my team. So if you join with me, you will have access to those as well. If you have any questions about anything that you saw today, please leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave it a thumbs up if it was helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.